My name is Daniel Flather. I own Fort Richmond Jewellers here. We are a family-oriented jewelry store in South Winnipeg. We have diamonds and colored gemstones, watches, and of course, full repair service. We've been here 40 plus years now. We've got great repair service, a lot of experience. The other people that work with me here, like our goldsmith and that, all have 40 plus years of experience. We have fair pricing on all our jewelry, Canadian diamonds, so please come by and say hi. Our service repair really puts us apart from many of the other stores in the area and in the city in particular. And we're local. I know a lot of the people come in. I know a lot of people in the neighborhood, so that gives us a huge advantage. BreezeMaxWeb contacted me. They seemed to have everything I wanted, or things I didn't know they had, which I do need, which I do have now. No one else really seemed to really show me what they could do. They just like, I'll build you a website, and that was it. But BreezeMaxWeb has the whole package for me. I had a website. It was pretty basic. I did not realize that this website might not work on mobile. I wasn't aware that even different browsers are going to make it appear differently, so you guys have fixed that problem. Made my website much more modern instead of the real basic thing I had, and to get it listed into the Google rankings, which I had no clue how to do, so that process has been simplified. When I started working with BreezeMaxWeb, they helped me build a website that is in line with my competitors and much nicer than the one I had. They've put me into the Google rankings, so I show up not on page 4 but on page 1, which I had no clue how to do myself. So vast improvement on my online presence. Working with BreezeMaxWeb has put my business online where it wasn't before. They've taken out all the complex details of how to build a website, how to get it listed, and to make it look professional and show up on Google, which makes my business look much more competitive and in the game.